Alright, in this video I'll show you how to get a transcript or summary of a YouTube video, okay? I'll show you how to do it using N8N, which you'll find in the description. It's important to understand that this can be done two ways, automatically through N8N or manually. I'll first show the manual way for one-off use, then the automatic way for more frequent users. So we'll go here and select this video as an example, okay? Once we've selected the video, we'll click expand and then show transcript, okay? As you can see, if we click toggle, we can select the entire transcript, okay? There it is. We copy it, go to ChatGPT and simply say make a summary, okay? Then we send it. Now we can get more specific with our prompt, right? We can ask for something more concrete. As you see here, ChatGPT starts summarizing the video based on the transcript. What's this useful for? Well, it helps avoid watching a 15-minute video and get the content instantly. This isn't useful for an entertainment video like this, but for informational videos, it's great to quickly summarize and understand the main point without watching the full 15 minutes, okay? That said, there's this N8N workflow I'll show you later.